with the lovely Kronas. Lads, how are you keeping?
Great, how are you, Sinead?
I'm not too bad, thanks very much. So tell me, obviously we're here because it's supporting Cheerios Childline concert and everything that Childline do. Why specifically did you guys decide to support this charity?
We know it's a great charity. They've had great concerts over the years, and there's great awareness about it as well, and it always seems to be a cool night. And we've actually never been around to do the gig, and this year as well we're not around to do the gig, but as we said we'd come down and help out and spread the word.
Free breakfast as well. So, I mean, we were
David gives the real reasons. I give the politically correct reasons. It's the free breakfast.
Highlight for 2012 so far, I assume O2 might just top it off, but we're not there yet, so far.
I'm going to say our gig in Marquee in Cork was amazing. It was one of the biggest gigs we've had, and we've never played the Marquee before, and it was really, really amazing. So yeah, the O2 will be tough to follow that, but hopefully we'll.
About the O2 gig, headline act, how are you all feeling? Are you freaking out?
Yeah, a bit nervous, but like we're
now that you've mentioned it.
We saw Jay-Z and Kanye in it there a few months ago, and yeah, we can't wait for this. It's by a mile the biggest show we've ever done, and we're kind of just doing pre-production for it now and just kind of getting excited and thinking about it. And yeah, just can't wait. Just can't believe it's happening.
The third album is out. It's going really well for you, Closer to You. What's next? Are you already working on the next instalment, or are you just too busy with tours and stuff?
Yeah, no, we're writing away, aren't we? And we're doing some new stuff. We're planning on taking a couple of weeks in January. That's usually where we take it off and write some new stuff as well. We've got a good bunch of songs done, and we're excited about it. We're thinking it'll probably be later next year, maybe September next year when the next one comes out. So that's the rough plan anyway.